hey, I know that your income is going to increase beyond 2 lakh. I have come out with a location, I have come out with the design. Please select one of them. And within 1.5 year, the people will be having their designer's house ready to them. Though the recovery will be coming only after 2029, when your earning will become more than 2 lakh rupees. Is there any problem in doing it?
No, sir.
Then why it is not being done? Now, what we are saying, I am giving you a very simple solution. What is that simple solution? A pledge of 9 days, right? And what you have to do in 9 days? You have to add 10 people every day. They should be your own people. Then you must ask from me that what do you mean by own people? Here, when I say own people means your own family member. When I say own people means your own relative. When I say own people, I means your own friends. When I say own people, I mean your own neighbors. When I say own people, it means the people around you, youth as well as the senior citizen. When I say own people, I mean the all the organization with which you are connected all through, the people, those who are working in those organizations, they are your own people. Just use the already videos available on the Crime Free Bharat mission. Whatever the video you find, it is most suiting to you, that should be shared with your friend, right?
Sir.
And if they agree, ask them to take a pledge that they will be adding the 10 people. And if this chain continues, in 9 days we will become 100. Do you know that? Sorry, 100 crore. Do you know this or not?
Yes.
I will just explain it. Say, let's start that today we have started this exercise, and Maithili Sharan Gupta has added 9 more people, and they have been given the pledge or they have taken pledge. So I will become 1 plus 9 today. First day I will become 10 or not?
Yes.
Okay. Second day 100. Third day 1000. Fourth day 10,000. Fifth day 1 lakh. Sixth day 10 lakh. Seventh day 1 crore. Eighth day 10 crore. And ninth day 100 crore. And do you know, out of 140 crore, we are only targeting 100 crore, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is no age limit. So even 3 years boy or 4 or 5 year boy can also join. Absolutely no problem, right? Now, on ninth day, 90 crore people are joining, and our target of 9 days complete on the ninth day. So 90 crore people need not to join anybody. Just they should join without adding any additional member. Still, we will be reaching to the figure of 100 crore. So 90 crore people need not to add anybody. Only 9 crore people had to add 10 people. Only 90 lakh people has to add 20 people. Only 9 lakh people has to add 30. Only 90,000 40. Only 9,000 50. Only 960. Only 90 70. Only 9 80. Only one person Maithili Sharan need to add 10 each every day for 9 days 90. I have already added more than 1490. Now, is it difficult? And by doing so, what we are saying, that we will put our first expectation to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we will climb on the rooftop and will say, hey, Narendra Modi ji, please जो है ना make 21 task force, and you don't bother, Maithili Sharan will guide them, right? So you give a post of the national advisor for the crime free Bharat with the 21 objective, and it will be my job, without giving any botheration, to have the technology and everything is in place, without bothering either Narendra Modi or his bureaucrat. However, everything which will be done, it will be approved by Mr. Narendra Modi only. So he is not being bypassed. he will be the main decision maker and he will get the credit for the work of the crime-free Bharat. How do you react to this whole proposition, Mr. Biswajit Sinha?
Sir, it will be a great one, sir, if it could be done.
Okay,
And
now let's say Narendra Modi जो है did not जो है ना paid any heed to it, right? He did not agree to it. So what is the problem? We are already 100 crore. 543 people who have